The actual narration in this video starts in about a minute, but I thought this was interesting to watch. This is an NVIDIA trade over on the right that is has the MFE retracement moving up as it moves up, which is just kind of an interesting thing to watch. So you can see prices accelerating, and you'll see that the retracement is following, but at in this case at a 50% pace. So it's a form of trailing stop, but it's actually got a ratio, um, so you don't have to do penny for penny the way trailing stops that can be so disappointing can do. Anyway, the narration is about to begin. I'm working on an automated trading system. This is what it looks like. It can go long or short. I have this list of symbols here. Um, I'm trading stock. I'm using the strat. I'm looking for, on a 2-minute candle, either a 1, 2 up, 2 down, or a 1, 2 down, 2 up, or a 1, 3. So any of those will trigger an entry. I'm allocating $5,000 per order. And then these are the exit tactics. There's a lot here. So real quickly, I have a max loss of 0.5% of the position size. So approximately $5,000, 0.5% of that, $25. I have a built-in automated 5-minute candle trail as a stop. I'm also using maximum favorable excursion retracement. So basically, and I'm using the position price. As the price goes up, starting at 0.3% above my entry price, then I will have a trailing stop that is 50% of that maximum favorable excursion. And we can see that working in a sec. There's green to red candles, meaning that if the prior candle if it's $1 or more, which on a 1-minute candle that may not happen in most stocks. Tesla maybe, or Amazon, but probably not something like Nvidia. Anyway, if the candle retraces by 60%, then that is detecting a reversal and will get out. And all of these are optional. You can add new ones, and you can X any of these out. So you configure exactly the trade plan you want. There's also green to red position, meaning that it went my direction a certain amount and then it starts to retrace, and I can get out in that way as well. So in this case, if I'm up by 2% and it retraces back to just a 0.5% up, then it will basically protect that winner from becoming a loser. And here I'm using unrealized P&L. I could use overall P&L if it's taken some profits as well. And then there's ratchet brackets, which is a way to put targets out there periodically. I won't go into this now, but anyway, all of this goes together to make a very specific, detailed trade plan, and these have been running for a few hours. I'm not saying this is the ideal setup or the ideal exits, but it's what I'm working on right now. Right now, I'm basically about even after 39 trades. So you can see winners and losers. And of course, this is system design. There's plenty of variables to tweak. Right now, I'm in NVIDIA, and you can see that the MFE retracement the max it's made it up to is 275.40. So I have a 50% retracement as my stop. There's also the 5-minute candle trail. So depending on how price is moved, one or the other of these will be the closer to price and be the one that will take me out, if it gets hit. You can see, and these just, because of the way the setups work, they just pop open. I'm not actually touching any of this. This is just running freeform continuously. And so I think when I started this video, I don't think I had 3 positions open. So there's Tesla. Once it reaches here, that's the MFE retracement, the threshold. So, and then there's the green to red candle retracement. So if it can get past one of these, then you'll see another stop that will move, come into play. I have a phone call in a few minutes, so so that just triggered. So now the green to red candles. Now this one's going to be the MFE. If it breaks there, then you'll see another stop. This stop is the green to red. So this one's looking to see, do we retrace the previous candle? Now, what's a little confusing here is we're looking at 2-minute candles, but these are 1-minute candles on some of these settings. So just something to be aware of. Something just stopped out. Oh, it was Tesla. Oh, it was the green to red. Yeah, okay. All right. NVIDIA is doing very nicely. Got a ways to go for IWM to actually trigger the MFE retracement. So anyway, I think I will end this here, but that's just a little peek into system development and testing in Trade Unafraid.